Hi kids, good morning. Welcome to today's English class. In last class we saw about Chitu, right? This is Chitu and we saw about Chitu. She is a kid. She climbs and jumps. She eats grass. She loves fruits. She eats bananas, leaves and roots. We saw about Chitu. And today's class we are going to continue this class. Okay? Now after they meet their friends, after Valli meet her friends, she goes for a walk. Okay, she goes on a walk. Valli and Chitu walk along the farm. They were walking along the farm. Farm means what? See the spelling, F-A-R-M, farm. F-A-R-M, farm. Farm is a place where we grow animals. Okay, farm is a place where we grow animals, birds. Sometimes people also used to grow plants. பண்ணைன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க தெரியுமா? பண்ணை, சில பேர் ஆட்டு பண்ணை வச்சுருப்பாங்க, ஆடுலாம் ஒன்றா வளர்ப்பாங்க, அதுதான் சரியா. சில பேர் மாடெல்லாம் ஒரு இடத்துல வளர்ப்பாங்க, அதான் பண்ணை. ஓகே, ஃபார்ம். திஸ் இஸ் அ ஃபார்ம். Valli and Chitu walk along the farm. They see birds. They see birds. What are these? These are birds. Birds. Repeat after me. Birds. They saw four birds. Four birds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four birds. Birds. Say the spelling for birds. B-I-R-D-S. Birds. B-I-R-D-S. Birds. B-I-R-D-S. Birds. They saw four birds. They saw four birds. They saw one sun. One sun. Sun. This is sun. It is a beautiful sun. This is sun. 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 Sun rises in the morning and sets in the evening. Sun. Sun. This is a beautiful sun. And what are these? These are clouds. 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 Repeat. Clouds. Say the spelling. C-L-O-U-D-S. Clouds. Clouds. C-L-O-U-D-S. Clouds. 3 clouds. 3 clouds. 4 birds. 4 birds. 1 sun. 3 clouds. Do you like kite? Yeah, children love kites. And here there are 2 kites. Valli and Chitu saw 2 kites. Okay, 2 kites. 2 kites. 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 K-I-T-E-S. Kites. 2 kites. Pattam. Okay, 2 kites. 2 kites. 4 birds. 3 clouds, 1 sun, 2 kites. After that, they saw bees. 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 Teni, okay? Bees. 5 bees. 1 bee, 2 bees, 3 bees, 4 bees, 5 bees. 5 bees. Bees. B-E-E-S. Bees. Bees. 4 birds. Valli and Chitu walk along the farm. They saw 4 birds, 3 clouds, 1 sun, 2 kites and 5 bees. They also see 1 cat. This is a cat. 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 They also see 1 cat. C-A-T, cat. 2 squirrels. Squirrels. Repeat after me. Squirrels. 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 Say the spelling. S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L-S. Squirrels. 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 These are two squirrels. These are two squirrels. Squirrels na enadhu? Anil. Rendu anil. Two squirrels. They saw two squirrels. One cat, two squirrels. And they also see 5 dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dogs. 5 dogs. 5 dogs. They also see 4 frogs. 4 frogs. 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 See the spelling? F-R-O-G-S. Frogs. Frogs. 4 frogs. 4 frogs. 3 rats. They also see 3 rats. 1, 2, 3. 3 rats. 3 rats. 3 rats. 2 squirrel. They also see 2 squirrel. 1 cat. 5 dogs. 5 dogs. 4 frogs. 3 rats. Okay? Read with me. 4 birds. 4 birds. 3 clouds. 3 clouds. 1 sun. 1 sun. 2 kites. 2 kites. 5 bees. 5 bees. 4 frogs. 4 frogs. 2 squirrels. 2 squirrels. 1 cat. 1 cat. 5 dogs. 5 dogs. 4 frogs. 4 frogs. 3 rats. 3 rats. Students, for today's homework, you will read and practice these words. Okay? You will read all these words. Thank you, kids. See you in the next class. Bye bye.